Good morning. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Out here again at Hydrilla. So 3 videos ago you guys saw me out here cranking, man, and I decided, let me see if I can still get that same quality of fish out here, man. So I've come back out here to see what I can do. Hopefully I can repeat that, or if not, do better. Still gonna be cranking. I might try some punching. That last time I was out here, I did punch and got 1 fish, but it was all about the cranking. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get to it. All right, see ya. Well, guys, as usual, I'm off to a slow start. Like, I rarely ever catch a fish before like 8 o'clock. What time is it now? It's 8:20. And I don't know why that is. I don't start catching fish like 9, 10. And then they come in groups. I guess I still got time before I actually catch my first fish. It's supposed to be a really hot day. Little to no wind, which I don't really like. We always complain about the wind, but when it's no wind, it's even worse, I feel. Give me a little bit, 10 to 15. Oh, there goes a bite right there. There's a bite. Okay, well, I was talking smack, and we caught us a fish, guys. Caught us a good one too. He's probably about 16, 17 inches. That's a good little guy. He's probably bigger than that. Ooh, it's a shoot. That's because it was a school of fish and I'm sitting right on top of them. All right, let me get these guys, get them off of here, man, because golly, I'm sitting on a bunch of fish right now. Okay. Solid. Oh, yeah, that's a good 17. Healthy fish, man. All right. All right, guy. There you go. I was just talking smack, right? About not catching a fish. And that guy bites mid-sentence. But then when I was fighting him, man, a whole school just went underneath my boat, man. And now I'm trying to track where they went to. Oh, man, that sucks. Because I really wanted some more. Let me just see if I can get him. If I can track him down again on the graph. I don't know, guys. It's a tough day. Got the 1 fish on the worm and nothing since then. I am back in that spot where I caught all those other fish at. Let's see if this is literally a honey hole. Because if I pull some more fish out of this joint, then it is a certified honey hole. Because my goodness. Well, it's official. It is indeed a honey hole. It's a little guy though. Because there's fish here. Oh, he's hooked on the jaw. There we go. All right. That's a decent one. It's a good size. It's probably about a 2-pounder. Oh, he's hooked good too. Oh, he's hooked good. Yeah. Yeah. He's hooked good. Hey, guy. Yeah, that's a nice solid 2. And he's been eating too, man. He's been chomping on something. Nice little belly. Alright, man, let's get you out of here. I was trying to tell these people, man, that this is a nice little honey hole, bro. Alright. There you go. Well, people, this seems the spot where I get them at, man. Oh, it came off. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot. Big. Okay. We got him. We got him now. We got a good one. You feel good. Yeah, you feel good. Definitely pulling me around. Oh, he decent. Another 2-pounder. Just, yeah, he might be 3. Oh, nah, yeah, he's definitely 3. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, he swiped that ain't. Oh, he swiped at that. That's definitely a 3-pounder though. Oh, he might be. Yeah, he's about 3 and some change. Ooh, he's long. Yeah, he swiped at that. Ooh, yeah, that's a long fish. That is a long fish. Oh man, let me see how long he actually is. Oh man, look at that. That's a 20 and a quarter. Yeah, that's a real good one. Yeah, 314. Yeah, that's a He almost 4 pounds, man. All right, guy. Thank you for helping out the video, because I was struggling. All right, let's get you out of here. Okay, I love you too. All right, guys. We might be back on them. We might be back on them. We'll see. See if we can get another one bigger. Let's try to get a 4.5 pounder. Let's try that. 4.5 pounds. And then we're gonna rock out of here. Because it's getting hot. It's getting hot. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Come on. It's probably 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Oh no, it's a gar. Oh, no wonder why it felt weird. Okay, gar. You get head tired. Where's that gator at? Come eat you off. Dang it. Okay. Where's my crank at, man? Is it in your mouth? Oh my gosh. Dude. I'm not going to get that. I don't even see my crankbait. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, that's why he bit it off. And he was just wrapped up in my line. Man, you stinking little freaking... I ain't even got no more of those, I don't think. This dude here... Yeah, he just chewed through my line, man. Nah, let me see what I got, man. Let's try. See, that was a 10 to 12 foot. I've got some. I think this is a C10. We're gonna make the switch to 6 cents. Cloud 9, C10, 8 to 12 foot. Man, I gotta order some more of those. All right, let's go with the C10. I actually forgot that the lure floats. He snapped me off completely, and look what I found floating in the water. I guess I gotta turn around for that. There we go. I got you, buddy. Yeah, got him back. I ain't tying him on though. I'm gonna work with this C10 for a little bit. See what's what. Score one for the C10, I guess. Where are you, fish? Oh, let it be known. Let it be known then. Okay. Okay. And you ran that far on my line? Oh, don't tell me another gar. Oh. What is that? If this is a gar, I'm going home. Oh no, that's a bass, I think. Let's see. I can't see nothing just yet. I thought I saw a little flash of it. Oh. Oh. That is definitely a bass with a mouthful of my lure. And she's a tank. Definitely a tank. Definitely a tank we working with. Oh man, I love this place. I am going to miss Florida so much. So much. Oh, and hell, wait till y'all see. Wait till y'all see this. Come on, baby girl. She still wanna fight. I'm gonna let her fight. I'm gonna let her fight. And there she goes. Show me that belly. Get in there. Nice and calm. Nice and calm. Listen, y'all. This got to be close to my PB. I don't know, man. She's short. And, oh my gosh. Look how she ate that crankbait, man. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Look at this beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. And look how she ate that. Oh. We gotta get a picture of that one. We gotta get a picture of that one. Okay, girl, let me get you out. We'll get you on a scale. We'll run the numbers. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is she is barely touching 23, man. Girl built like an anvil, boy. Oh. 714. She is just shy at 8 pounds, man. Man. 714, man. She is just under 8 pounds. Man, let me get her back in here. All right, pretty girl. Man. Bye, sweetheart. Golly. Another one. Another beast, man. Man. I tell y'all what, man, like it is so if y'all watch my other videos, man, my PB video, my PB is like 8.7. And I swear, man, the last couple fish that I caught out here, I thought would be my PB. Like, and I just can't, that fish that I caught for my PB was just a giant, man. Like 8 pounds is huge, man. And these fish that I'm catching out here are huge. And I'm thinking each time, yeah, that's my PB. Yeah, that's my PB. Nope. 6.8, 7 something. And then that one, 7.14. Like, I tell you, man, for you guys who have caught 10 pounders, double digit bass, man, hats off to you, man. Because I know it is tough, man. Like, you start getting these 7s, these 8s, 7s, 6, 8s. Like, it's crazy. So hats off to you guys, man, who got double digits. I'm definitely still chasing that, man. But yeah, I think it'll happen before I leave Florida. I'm gonna say that. I think it will definitely happen before I leave. But hey, let me get back to it, man. It's noon right now, so I hang out another hour or so and I'm gonna take off, man. But stick around. I'm gonna keep throwing the crankbait and see if we can get some more big ones, man. I got another. I can't tell. Oh, that's a good one, I think. Unless I just didn't tighten my drag back down from the last fish. Oh, he's shaking a lot. It's another giant, man. I know I just sound like I was complaining, but I'm not complaining. Like, it's just crazy. It's probably about 4.5, 5 pounds. Oh, and that fish is barely hooked. Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah. Dang it. Shit. It's probably about 4. Ooh. Man, I love this, man. Absolutely love this. She's long, too. Oh, didn't like that. Didn't like that. Look at her. Oh, she's in there. She's pretty pink. She just made it worse, too. Oh, wow. I said 4. Then I said 3.5. Man, this fish probably easily 5 or 6 pounds. Oh my goodness. Oh. We did it. Yeah, she's good. 5, I'd say. I say she's 5. Look how they be eating them joints, man. Oh man. Oh, full of life. Full of life. I'm gonna put on a leash and get a picture of the weight measurement. On my way back to the ramp, like I was telling y'all, I can't never get there peacefully. Everybody want to stop and say hello. You know what I'm saying? You hang tight there, sister girl. Come on. Come on, get this picture real quick. Man, y'all are like short and just fat, man. $5.13. Yeah, almost 6. We'll let her go. We'll let the big girl go. And she's, oh my gosh, 5.13. Crazy, crazy day. Another good day cranking, man. All right, pretty girl. What say you? Let's go home. All right, y'all, made it back to the ramp. Time for me to get out of here, man. What a freaking day. Awesome day today, man. Awesome day. Had some fun, man. Definitely had some fun again cranking, man. That's all I was doing, except for that first worm. That first fish I caught, man, on the worm. But everything else, man, was just me cranking. Just grinding it out, finding the fish, man, and cranking it down for them. So I had a blast, man. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'll be back out again probably tomorrow and the next day. So 3 days in a row of me out here trying to get out some fish and trying to provide you guys with some good content, man. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the subscriptions, man. Channel is constantly and steadily growing, man, and it's because of you guys supporting, man. So I definitely appreciate it. So leave me a comment, man. Let me know your cranking experiences, man, because this is my first time really going at it like this hard, man, and I'm having fun. So leave me a comment, hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button too, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.